but we need to go into the inspector mode and apply the wood sound. Nope, that's not that one. I've got an error, I can see that, but I'll sort it out in a minute. Let me just find the sound. Single footstep, that's the one I'm looking for. Single footstep, I need you to drag you in here. Oh no, wait, that's the boolean, that's why. Oh yes, the function can't be the same name as a variable, so wood sound effect. Just gonna copy that and place that name inside the if statement I had, and there we are. So let's clear that. Applied the sound effect that I was looking for, and I lost it already. What the hell was it now? Single footstep. Single footstep, there we are. And just drag that into the audio clip that's empty. Just gonna drag this guy next to the wood. Save me some time. And this should work as well. But that thing's flying. Oh, they're actually all flying. There we are. That's a bit better. That's okay. Let's just double check that in here. No interference, that's okay. It was actually underneath. I mean, the platform was way down. Oh yeah, this one's always gonna cause the issue. Alright, for these ones, this little tower thing over here, as you can see that and that trigger is very close to this trigger. So as soon as we leave this trigger, it doesn't count this then. So what we gotta do is just pull this trigger down a bit, somewhere around here. And that's not that hard, so. About there, and then it can start from here as well. That's perfect. So that should solve that issue. Just make sure you don't have the colliders joined too close to each other. Yeah, you see now that it still plays the sound. That's because that collider was so close to it. As soon as I leave that collider, it thinks I haven't entered another one. So if there's space between them, it knows that I have. I'm just going to do a little quick test. I'm going to try bring down the grav cooler down to 0.6 and see what kind of sound it makes. That's good for running actually. So we can do that now actually. That's not a problem at all. So let's just stop that. Go inside. And do I need to change anything? No. Let's just make a new statement. If, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace and close curly brace. If input dot get key, open bracket, key code dot w, close that, and input dot get key, open bracket, key code dot I think left shift. I keep forgetting this one. Sorry about that. Yep, that's the one. And also and walk on gravel. So I'm just gonna copy that one there. Oh, come on. And paste that into there. And then you can guess what's gonna happen next. Just gonna copy this function and paste it in there. But this time I'm gonna set grav cooler to 0.6. So grav cooler it's gonna be equals to 0.6. Else grav cooler is still 0.8, so which is great. So let's just set it back to its default value after that. Don't forget your semicolons to close this. I'm leaving them out. Otherwise, going to give you errors. So we said if we hold our shift key and we're running on the gravel, the cooler should decrease and it should give us a runny kind of effect on gravel. There we go. It changed to 0.6 back to 0.8. I'm happy with that actually. That's very nice. It looks perfect. Now I'm just going to test the same thing for the wood as well. Oh well, there's some little bugs that you can hear, that the sound keeps continuing while you're still on certain objects, but don't worry about that for now. We'll sort that later on. 0.6. I hope this works with the wood as well. I'm not sure. That's good as well actually. They both have same cooling settings and they both work perfectly. So again, just copy the whole if statement we just made, paste it underneath, and just call the wood effect. So copy this one and just call the wood cooler there, and call the wood cooler there. Wood sound effect, sorry, and just change the script name to walk on wood, not gravel, and we want to check if wood bool is true. There we go, that's that done. Okay, that one's not working now, the gravel one, which is weird. Walk on gravel is equals to true, else do that. If that is that, wood cooler. It's gonna copy my function name. I don't think I put it right. Well, I think I have. Try now. What side effects? Now we've got an error. Oh, sorry, don't forget open bracket, close bracket for that. It's a function we're calling. Okay, it's causing some issues between them now. It's gonna have a quick test. I'm gonna remove this one out of the way. and just test that again. So the gravel one works fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to set these in booleans as well.